In this video, we're going to discuss how to write a good thesis statement. The thesis statement should come in your introduction, and a good thesis statement has two things. The first is an answer to the question you've been assigned, and the second is a reason or reasons for the answer that you have given. Let's look at an example. Suppose we're writing a paper about this question: is access to the internet a basic human right? A good thesis statement is going to answer this question and provide at least one reason for that answer. So here we go. Let's say that this is our thesis statement. Access to the internet is a basic human right because no one owns information. Now remember the two pieces that a good thesis statement is going to have: an answer and a reason. And by breaking these two things out into these colored boxes, you can see that this example is a good thesis statement. We have a clear answer: access to the internet is a basic human right, and we've given a reason for that answer, because no one owns information. When you're composing a thesis statement, once again, you need to have both of these pieces together if your thesis statement is going to be strong. So let's look at an example where the thesis statement could use some work. Suppose that you've written this: access to the internet isn't a basic human right. While it sounds like a good thesis statement, it's only halfway where it needs to be. It does provide a clear answer, but it doesn't provide a reason and is therefore incomplete. We would need to add a reason into that green box to make this a strong thesis statement. And here's another way that your thesis statement might be incomplete. Suppose that we've written "not everyone can pay for the internet" as our thesis statement. If we use our boxes once again, you'll see that that red box is blank. We haven't answered the specific question about whether access to the internet is a basic human right. What we've done is given a reason for a position that we could put into that red box. If we had a clear answer, then this would be a good reason, and therefore we'd have a good, strong thesis statement. In your introduction, you always want to have a thesis statement that does two things. You want to provide a clear answer to the question, and you want to give at least one clear reason for your answer. And if you can have these two things together, you're going to have a strong thesis statement.